Hey there, welcome to Tech2. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can view your live data in a Bigo Live. So when you actually start to live, go live when you actually start to stream, a kind of a window automatically opens for you so you can interact with your viewers on your live stream. So that is where you can check your how many views you are getting right now. I mean, how many players or viewers are currently seeing what you are streaming, and who of them are maybe interacting with you or interacting with your community and all that stuff. How much beans you got and all that stuff. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.